of the Omkaram prayer. Om. Please sit straight, and you also can chant the Omkaram. Take a deep breath. Repeat with me. स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। तेजोसि तेजोमयि देहि वीर्यमसि वीर्यं मयि देहि बलमसि बलं मयि देहि ओजोसि ओजो मयि देहि मन्युरसि मन्युं मयि देहि सहोसि सहो मयि देहि। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु सर्वत्र नन्दतु। हरिः ओम तत्सत्। Mentally, please offer your salutations to the all-pervading blissful spirit. Everybody close your eyes and think of others. Jaideep ji, please sit straight. Sai Kumar also straight, eyes closed. Meditation time. Huh? Everybody. Body language, very important. May all be happy. May all be free from diseases, dangers, difficulties, tensions. Spread these thoughts everywhere. These are antibodies at the mind, which will help somebody. If you are sincere, if you are concentrated, Let us offer our salutations to Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, Ma Sharda Devi, and Swami Vivekananda, and all great teachers, all great saints in the whole world, teachers and saints whose teachings we all have inherited. May they inspire us with love for the truth. Think of the Pancha Mahabhutas in your body and in the universe. Offer your namaskar. Think of entire nature, which consists of animals, insects, birds, fish, and so many other things. We have got the oceans, rivers, mountains, forests, the earth, grass, so many species, so many varieties. Directly or indirectly, each one of us is connected with them. Let us offer our respect, namaskaram to everybody, everything also. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Now I shall play a small video of a very powerful stotram, a kind of prayer and positive thinking, which Swami Vivekananda spread in the whole world. That is Samskrita stotram from the Upanishads. Yesterday evening, I played it in the bhajan class. Some of you attended. For those who did not attend, this will be a good inspiration and good way to start the day.
शृण्वन्तु विश्वे अमृतस्य पुत्राः आये नामानि दिव्यानि प्रस्तुतानि वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं
Stop not till the goal is reached. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached.
Yes, very, very powerful message for the modern times, which has come down since the last 5,000 years. These 4 lines. Somebody said, Balaji, could you listen? Could you audible? Balaji, sir.
I am audible, sir.
Balaji, Supriya, Balaji Sundaram.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Oh,
it is Swamiji, it is audible. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Swami,
Yes.
audible. I am
Yeah,
on.
it was audible. Okay. So the message was Shunvantu Vishve Amritasya Putraha, first line. This is a realization of a great sage. Please don't think it is somebody talking some Puranam. Shunvantu Vishve Amritasya Putra. Hear, O children of immortal bliss. Who are you? Amritasya Putraha. You are not just the tiny body-mind complex. You are not just the spirit living in the body or a combination of material substances. You are the spirit living in the body. So you are not a tiny boat in a tempest, in a cyclone. You are very special, unique star. So first line is Amritasya Putraha. Not just of India, of Telangana, of Hyderabad, or of some district in India. Whole world. Amritas, Vishve. Second line you see. That sage, whose name we do not know at all, who just gave this realization, who got that strength and power and what you call the confidence. He said, Aye dhamani divyani tastuhu. Even those who are in the higher spheres, even the gods who are sitting in our paraloka, please come down to Boloka. He got that so much of pride. Aye means inviting them to come down. Divyani dhamani, divya dhama. Why should they come? Or why should you listen to that particular person? Vedahametam purusham mahantam. Vedahametam. I have realized, I have understood that Mahapurusha, cosmic being, or the supreme being mentioned in the Vedas as Brahman. I have realized him through my meditation. Third line. The next line says, so what? What is the benefit? Question mark. Aye dhamani divyani tastuhu vedahametam purusham mahantam aditya varnam tamasaf parastat. Aditya varnam. What is Aditya? Surya Bhagavan, Surya Narayana, Bhaskara, Prabhakara, Divakara, Tejasvi. When sun rises, darkness has gone. Tamasaf parasthat. Tamas on the other side, brightness in my side. So what? Again question. Tameva viditva atimrutyumeti. By realizing him alone, you shall conquer death. Atimrutyu. So when we see our brothers and sisters, our citizens of India, dying for COVID infection, it is not dying, actually in philosophical terms, it is going forward. Who is dying? When you read second chapter Gita, you will get that confidence. Who is dying? Body is going. But that person, X, Y, Z, is going forward in his life journey through an incident, through an accident. So our life as per Indian tradition, Sanatana Dharma is going forward. Charaiveti, Charaiveti. Till you reach that ocean, Brahmananda Sagara. So, Aditya Varnam Tamasaf Paras. Tameva viditva atimrutyu. And there is no other path. Nanyaf pantha vidyate ayanaya. Vere margam ledu. You have to realize that great one. It's a beautiful message. Last line, very famous. Uttishtata jagrata prapyavaran nibodhata. Please repeat, everybody. Uttishtata jagrata prapyavaran
Yavaran.
nibodhata. Uttishtata jagrata prapyavaran nibodhata. Swami Vivekananda had the freedom to translate it as Rise awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Original meaning is prapya, pondandi, obtain the blessings, varan. Here blessings means not things. Get me a job, get me some promotion. No, that is not the point here. It is a paramanandam here. Here, supreme joy here. Varan, nibodhata. Nibodhata means awakened ones, awakened. Those who are realized, great teachers, great sages, great saints. Go to them, serve them. That is very important. So these 5 lines, please memorize. Please make others listen to it. Meditate over it. Your family members, first, friends, second, relatives, third, community, colleagues. Let this message go into the society. So please be a little more focused, little more bolder. Absorb the lessons. All are able to hear. I could not hear anything. Please check. All are able to hear.
Yes, sir. We are able to hear.
Yes, Swamiji.
But
Yes, Maharaj,
Everybody is
we
able
can
to
hear.
hear. Those who did not listen, please restart again. Okay. So screen is not visible because I have not switched on. There's some problem with my camera. Okay. Namaste to everybody. Shall we have lyrics format? Yes, you can have.
Namaste,
We'll send
Maharaj.
this video to all of you. It's an open account. Okay. I will send this video today by mail. You will get it, listen to it 10 times and share it with others. No problem. Right. So today we have Sri Balaji Sundaramji, our faculty of VIHE, a psychologist, a trainer and a wonderful person. And he will give the class today. He is experienced. He is in touch with so many people who are under trouble, who are under care, who need medical care or the mental care. We had a wonderful team or team existing, but we are working on it much more, who used to visit the central jails in Hyderabad. 2 powerful big jails were there, prisons, Chatlapalli and Chanchalagooda. So these psychologists as a team used to go last 4 or 5 years and talk to the under trials there, talk to the prisoners there who are under depression, tension, worry, stress, whether they will be convicted or not, still court cases going on. Sometimes false cases are put on them. One fellow does it, but this good man is caught. But according to law, they have to undergo all that inquiry, everything. So these people used to go and talk to them, counsel them, meditate, teach yoga, and give them the right direction. Many came out successfully, happily. So great contribution by these wonderful people. So now also we have got a program called Atma Shraddha, online counseling for those who are in difficulty, mentally, etc., one-to-one contact. So Balaji Sundaram sir is one of the members of the team. And today his experience, his knowledge, this one will be very useful to you. Last 2 days, you had the spiritual side, the scriptural side, the Swami Vivekananda's teachings I shared. And supporting to that will be Balaji Sundaram's session today from the psychotherapy point of view, psychology point of view. Have a wonderful learning, joyful learning, note down the points and make yourself positive. And through you, another 100 people should be benefited. Your life should be a torchlight. All right. May Sri Ramakrishna bless you. And we will be meeting regularly like this and taking the message of overcoming stress, tension, anxiety, suicides, addictions, worries. It can be done. It can be done. It should be done on a very regular basis. Thank you. Namaste. Over to Balaji sir. Thank you. Welcome. Shubhodinam, Shubhodayam, Balaji sir.
Namaskar, sir. Swamiji, blesses
Namaste.
with all the blessings.
Please carry on.
We will start the day and Shubhodayam to you all. Most important thing is it's not you listening to me, but we will be interacting together in the short period what we have. Am I audible to you all? You can raise your hands.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that's going to be the order of the day. We will be interacting. You can ask me any questions you feel like. because it's always better to clarify the doubts rather than keeping it and going out without clarifying. That will be more tense than anything else. The first lesson in overcoming fear is our capacity to clarify ourselves. Am I sounding sense? Yeah, you may just raise your hands and
Yes.
okay, because everybody's audio is down. Okay. So the session today is fear. Is the fear is good or bad? What do you feel about fear?
Bad.
Bad, okay. What if I say the fear is good?
For the bad things, it is good.
What is it? For the bad things it is good? Okay, now how come the fear comes into us? So let's answer the small question. The fear is good. In what ways it is good? It actually stimulates some of our strengths together and then makes us work. I'll give you a very small example. We are supposed to reach the railway station at a particular time. Somehow we get delayed. First, we program accordingly. From my house to the railway station, it takes about 20 minutes. Then from there, going to the platform, another 5 minutes. We program everything fine. You start 20 minutes before also. But before reaching the station, instead of reaching 5 minutes before, you reach only 3 minutes before. Now what happens? There is an anxiety, there is a tension, and also you have an agenda like I have to go and meet the train before it leaves the place. And this fear of missing the train makes you run faster. Yes, you walk a bit brisk. You start moving around in a different way. You take things hurriedly and then go so that you just reach before the train leaves and then go inside. If you don't have fear, I will take 5 minutes to go from the auto station to the railway station inside the platform without any problem. Since you don't have time, you will have the possibility of missing the train. Okay. Now, this overconfidence translates to arrogance, translates to various other problems. Then the blame game also starts accordingly from this way. Had that cycle fellow has not come in between, we would have reached it on time. So these kind of things are there. In terms, fear is good. You should have fear. Current situation, don't get scared of fear. Fear of pandemic affecting you. Is my English okay or you want any Telugu, Hindi and all? Not a problem for me. Hello?
Your English okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. So the fear is good and the fear is bad. When the fear is bad, how the fear is bad? Because of the fear, you stop doing certain things which you're supposed to do. That is a major. Okay, let's understand how the fear starts. Any inputs from you? How the fear actually starts?
To face the problem,
if the result may be negative.
Hmm?
Maybe if I start, I may get negative. If I do this, I may get negative result.
Okay.
Let's stop it like that.
Hmm.
If we think about
When you feel you're missing something, which
Where does the fear start? Does it start with hand, leg, body? Where?
Brain.
Mind.
mind,
mind,
From sense
mind,
organs.
Yes. So it starts from the mind. Why does it start from mind?
Because it already assume some difficulties, or it already assume, or it already give results in our mind only that it will be wrong, and because of that fear comes.
Okay. Your past experience has given you some idea about that incident. So you are getting fixed to that idea. Is it right? And that's the reason you feel that if I do this, I will get this result. And if this result is negative, it is the fear of doing that. Is this what you wanted to tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me how many have different types of fears, and we will try to discuss that to overcome. Anybody can talk.
Sir, I think fear starts from the worry of, losing money, worry of losing job, worry of getting hurt, physical injury. So all these things translates into different type of fears. Worry of losing, family, wife, parents.
The worry of losing. Excellent. Now, what is this worry of losing? Now, suppose we assume fear as darkness. What is absent in that?
Light.
Excellent. Superb. Now, what is absent in fear? What is the light that you need?
Maybe
Trust.
light of knowledge or awareness.
Courage, a support system, an acceptance of a situation. As you said, suppose I am losing my job. Okay. So that job will give social anxiety to me. Arey, you are a jobless fellow. What happened? Are you incapable of, or or are you not able to do a job? That kind of a problem will come in between. Is it not? It is not the losing of job that creates fear many a times, but the backlash you get from the society. What will my father think? What will my mother do? What will my wife think? What will my friends think? Do they feel that I am incapable of? This is not only for job, for everything. This society backlash is what it comes. Now, what is the energy to overcome fear? What is the light that to overcome that fear of darkness? Can somebody guess?
I think trust,
Knowledge.
Maharaj.
Yeah,
Trust.
trust. One more thing.
No. Knowledge.
Knowledge. Okay.
Confidence.
Confidence. Lovely answer. Who said this?
Sabani.
Yeah. The confidence that you build up from yourself is the self-igniting torch which is there within you. ठीक है? If I don't get it this time, I'll get it next time. Yes, I am capable of doing it. I am not wrong. I believed somebody, they betrayed me. It is not that I went and did that mistake. Realization and confidence. And this confidence should be backed by the proper support. Who is the proper support? The people whom you believe the most. That is your own near and dear, close ones, family members, or somebody like that. Is it not? Sometimes you don't share with people because they may think otherwise, even with your own family members. Is it not? There may be some incident that has happened. Now, okay, honestly, I'll answer. Please answer this question. How many of you have not shared an incident with your family members just because of the fear that they will feel bad? Raise your hands.
Yes.
And this is to all. There is a symbol of raising hands.
Name.
I will not go through the incident, what it is, because it's too personal. But just I want to know whether it is yes or no. Oh, great. Oh,
So what is the question?
question is, there is an incident that happened in your life, but you have not shared it with your friends or family members just because that may create a problem to them. You were scared to tell that to your family members. Wow, almost everybody has it. Fantastic. And now, two things to analyze here. Why were you not able to share? Somebody rightly said the courage to share. Yes, you didn't have the courage to share. How do you improve that courage? What you need to do to get that courage within you? Somebody said being truthful. To some extent, it is right, but there should be a lot of understanding of yourself and also the situation you are in, and also the other psychology of the other family members, how they behave and how they reflect and what they actually do. Okay. So there is absolutely nothing that stops you from doing this small exercise, which is totally under your control. Okay. Yeah, there may be many incidences which you need not tell to people also. That's not a problem. When I went there, I saw somebody with a pink shirt or a white sari or whatever it is. So that's not something to be told to everyone. But what happens is, if you are trying to share with somebody who is non-judgmental and who is giving you a moral courage, the fear, anxiety, and the confusion within you actually vanishes. It goes away. It gives you a path for a new opening. Yes, somebody rightly pointed out here that there will be negative thoughts about me and my personality. Possible. That is also a fear. Now, the person who is thinking negative about you, how will you change them? Huh? You can open your mics and talk.
We cannot.
We cannot change. Then why do you fear about them? Okay. We cannot change them. But why do you fear about them? Now, what happens when you are fearing about that person? The person may be there physically present for a minute or 10 minutes or maximum 1 hour in a day, all put together. But the person is present in your mind all the 24 hours. Which is occupying more time?
Sir,
Huh? The fellow who the fellow who is occupying more time is the person who is in the mind. And this person constantly switches on and off the anxiety trips or the stress trips. Why? Because he or she occupies your thoughts. In both cases, it is wrong. Whether it is love or hate, both cases it is wrong. There is a definite limitation to everything. The moment we categorize everybody and then tell this is your time, this is what you are going to happen, and this is what it is, then immediately what happens is the mind starts categorizing too. Yeah, there may, that's what I'm telling. So when you're talking about the person spreading negativity to others, there are people who will do that. Why do they do? Because they cannot rise to your level, so they want to defame you simply. Simple reason is that somehow they want to get up. So like we see all the people bragging against each other. Okay. So what happens at this stage is the fellow who is trying to spread lies about others. Okay, let's understand if somebody is coming and telling wrong about a person to you, what is your reaction? Yeah, Pradyumna ji. Ha.
Yes, sir.
Somebody tries to tell a information about another person. For example, he comes and tells about you, tells something bad about me to you. What is your reaction?
At that time, oh, I'll feel yeah, okay.
Then what will you do?
I'll come to you and I'll confirm that he's saying something about you. Is it true or not?
Okay. Now, the fellow who is spreading the negativity, what is his status in your mind?
He might have felt something negative about you, and he said to me.
No, you didn't get my question. उसके बारे में आप क्या सोचेंगे?
Sir, తెలుగులో చెప్పండి సార్.
అదే వాళ్ళ గురించి మీరేమనుకుంటారు? దగ్గర అవధూరు చెప్పినారు ఉన్నారు కదా, తప్పు చెప్పిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా, అప్పుడు మీరు ఆయన గురించి కానీ ఆమె గురించి కానీ ఏమనుకుంటారు?
మేబీ మిమ్మల్ని చూసి తప్పుకోలేకపోతుండొచ్చు.
అయి ఉండొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ జ్యోతి గారు ఒక మంచి జ్యోతి హస్ గివెన్ ఎ గుడ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. We will stay away from them. What it means?
We don't encourage such.
Is also telling the same thing. Take it out of mind. See, people will listen. If you tell bad about somebody, people will listen, but they will use their own common sense. Is it not?
Yes, correct.
So be confident that you are not wrong. So nobody can believe you, nobody can belittle you. If the other person believes only the wrong things, let them believe. That's their problem. Why are you wanting to change somebody?
No, we don't.
Whereas here, the fear of the unknown will be gone. Kada? That's what is the whole show all about. I'll tell you a small story about how this rumoring gets benefited, or how the rumoring gets negated. So now the fear in you gives a lot of anxious moments to others and also gives strength to others. the fear in you? How many of you agree? Did you understand my question? The fear in you gives strength to others.
Correct.
The courage in you
Gives weakness to him.
fear to them,
Yes.
right? Formula is simple.
Agree.
That's exactly we have to do. Don't fear. There is a beautiful story in Mahabharata wherein all the people, Pandavas and Krishna, go to a jungle and they have to stay there. And that night they have to spend in a small cave. So what they do is one person will be the gatekeeper of the cave, all others will be sleeping. Everybody accepted. So the gatekeeper's job is to stay awake, and guard the gate from anybody entering or doing something. After some time, this fellow's job will be over, and the second Pandava comes, and third comes, fourth comes, and all. They plan accordingly and then start up. First fellow goes, and that starts from the lowest person, like Nakula, Sahadeva, and all. So Sahadeva starts. He stays in the entrance of the cave. He finds some sort of a demon coming around and trying to intimidate him. Now this fellow, this Sahadeva has got a limited resources of information, and he tries to talk to that demon and all. It doesn't agree. It makes him more scary. Sahadeva gets scared. The moment he gets scared, the size of the demon increases. The size of the demon goes on to this extent that ultimately Sahadeva has to say, boss, it is beyond my reach now. I have to go and seek help for others. The same happens with Nakula, Bhima, Arjuna, Dharmaraja. All come, get scared of the demon, and then go away. Almost in the end of the night, the turn of Krishna comes. They say, Krishna, you are the most right person to guard now. Our job is over. You go and guard. By then, Krishna senses something is wrong with them. Normally, these fellows don't do like that. So he goes and tries to approach. Same thing happens. The demon comes. He tries to intimidate. मतलब डराने का कोशिश करता है, धमकाइస్తాడు, అట్లాంటి ఏదో చేస్తాడు. Krishna openly says, what you are going to do to me? So what? You are the region head. So what? The moment he confronts it with a counter question, which none of the Pandavas have asked, the size of the demon gets decreased. The moment Krishna imposes on him that what you are doing is wrong and I am going to take you for a ride, the strength of the demon gradually diminishes. Then in the morning, everybody comes out and asks, Krishna, were you able to see this person? And this is what has happened to us last night. Is it the same guy who was troubling you last night? I said, yes. How did you overcome him? He says, he was trying to scare me. Instead, I did the same to him, which you being brave were not able to do. Bhima, Arjuna and all are confused. Yeah, for that moment we thought differently. What will happen to others and what will happen this? No. Put the fear back into the other person. You have your self-confidence. The moment you have your self-confidence, there is nobody who will touch you. Is it not? It starts from half-baked information. Many a times. The half-baked information, what happens is, leads us to an extreme amount of thinking something which is not existing. That also gives us a lot of fear, anxiety, and tension. There are many examples, but today I'll give you only one small WhatsApp example to you, which is practically everyday's occurrence. Do you agree? Yeah, some hands are raised. And do they want to ask any question or something? Before I go to this WhatsApp example, WhatsApp is a very beautiful example, you know, that gives you great information about fear. I don't know how many of you have seen it or experienced it. Okay, fine. So I'll continue with this thing. Everybody use WhatsApp here? Raise your hands, no problem. Yes. Okay. What happens when you send a message? Under WhatsApp use chestara?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some in Telugu. So that's the reason I switched my language. How many of you are not comfortable in Telugu?
No, sir.
No, sir, ante?
Sir, I can understand English, Hindi, and Marathi, not Telugu.
Oh, okay, fine. So, well, I'll mix both these things and tell. So don't worry. Right. Now, it will be slightly repetitive, so you can work out on that. Everybody use WhatsApp now. WhatsApp low.
Yes, sir.
When we send the message, what is the first indication? Message sending, first indication?
Single tick.
Single tick.
Yes.
Color?
Then double tick, black color.
Blue tick.
Okay. Nahi. First, you are sending the message. Message sending. Single tick. What is the color?
White.
Black.
Gray.
Ash.
Gray.
Gray. Message delivered. What is the color? How
Gray.
blue?
Double gray.
Blue color. Double tick. Blue color.
No.
Double gray.
Double tick.
Gray color.
Gray color. Blue color. Blue color.
No. Only
Double
Gray, sir.
message
gray with double tick.
double tick. Now, third.
When the person sees
When the
blue color.
is,
It will come into blue color.
it will come into blue color. Now see, you are sending a message to a very important person. Anybody, very important person you are sending. Between this double tick gray and double tick blue, what is your mental status?
We continuously watch.
Ha.
Frustrations.
అవునా? మనం చూస్తూనే ఉంటాము. ఏమైంది? మెసేజ్ డెలివరీ అయ్యింది, మెసేజ్ చూడలేదు. Why did the fellow not seen the message? After the double tick, this anxiety will be there. Message not delivered, no problem. You'll be happy still. Once delivered, why the fellow has not seen? Anxiety start. Keep seeing. Blue tick. Okay. Then
And why is he not responding? Another anxiety.
Reply.
Okay. Here, the person sees a tick is blue and no reply. What are your feelings?
We'll get angry.
మెసేజ్ చూస్తాడు, చూసిన తర్వాత రిప్లై ఇవ్వరు. రిప్లై ఇవ్వకపోతే మీ మైండ్లో కలిగే ఎమోషన్స్ ఏంటి?
Maybe the message is not important to me.
Some beautiful coming in the chat. I am enjoying it. I'll see it.
We think something is wrong with our message.
Multiple thinking in our mind. Why that person not replying?
నిరాశ భావం ఉంటుంది.
Very good.
Why is he not giving us the importance we deserve? He or she.
All have finished answering?
I will sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Message చూసినా కూడా రిప్లై చేయకపోతే I will delete that message.
So that's the fear of you feeling guilty about that message. Is it?
Yes.
So sweet. Now, think practically now. I am the person who is receiving this message. Okay? You have thought all the negative possibilities. అంత ఎన్ని రకాలుగా చెత్త ఉన్నదో అన్ని మనం ఎంచుకున్నాం. You have thought everything negative. Accepted. I am seeing this message. The moment I see the message, my battery would have conked off. Possibilities are there? Yes or no?
Yes.
Unless and until I fix the battery, I will not be able to answer you. That benefit of doubt nobody gave to somebody. Yes or no? Will it not relax your mind if you give this space? Possibility number 1. Possibility number 2, connectivity would have gone. Net data would have gone. Okay. Possibility number 3, the moment you see, you just wanted to do something, but it falls down. Is there a possibility? Yes or no?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
Everybody is in that mode of seeing. So casually we see, tack, niche gir gaya, finish. So again, it takes it time to get things up. Possibility number 4. If you are an employee, or if you are a student, or if you are a married person, the spouse calls up at the same time, or the boss calls up at the same time, or call from parent. Which will you prefer to talk? That is important for your career. That may be the most important message.
Based on situation.
So at that stage, he is a friend after all. He or she is a friend after all. So let him wait for a 5-10 minutes and then let us do it. Is it not a possibility, ma? Other person will not be in that strain about your message, but you are in that strain. Understand? It's creating the stress. You are creating the stress for yourself. Okay? Are you clear about it? So this many positivities may be there, possibilities are there. Or the person is traveling, he cannot reply back by this thing. He's driving a two-wheeler, some message comes, he just sees the message, then immediately sees the message, "Arey, hai, theek hai." I put it back into this, then keep going. Maybe after 10 minutes, he will stop somewhere and then try to answer. That also we don't know. That is also one possibility. Positive possibilities, na? Shall we start thinking right now in those terms in each and every incident that happens? ప్రతి ఇన్సిడెంట్లోనూ ఒకటి సాధకంగా ఉంటుంది, కొన్ని బాధకంగా కూడా ఉంటుంది. అతను రిప్లై చేయలేదు.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పిన పాసిబిలిటీస్ అన్ని చాలా ఒక 10% మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి సార్. 90% వాళ్ళు నోటిఫికేషన్ చూసి కూడా ఇగ్నోర్ చేస్తే వాటితో ఎలా డీల్ చేయాలి సార్?
Perfect. This is next. I am coming to that only. Nice question. Now, here the self introspection and self confidence comes into the picture. Why is this person not replying me? Am I wrong or is that person wrong? Try to analyze simply. If you are wrong, accept that I am wrong, so he has not replied. Agreed, Sushma ji?
Yes, sir.
Huh? No tension for us. I am wrong, so I deserve that punishment or or whatever it is, rejection or whatever. But if the other person is wrong, you have confidence, saying that fellow is wrong. What can I do? Why should I give my happiness key to that fellow? Why? Think in those terms. You are building a beautiful house. All interior decoration your taste. Everything is excellent. Money yours, idea yours, effort yours. But what is happening? You are locking the main door, giving the key to somebody. Okay? Now, unless and until that person gives you the key, you cannot enjoy your house. Why that status? The fear whether the fellow comes and gives immediately or the fellow doesn't give immediately. What is going to happen? This kind of problems will be there. So, please try and understand. If the other person is wrong, you try to accommodate him. That gives you relief, if possible, or else ignore. Leave it at that. Your personal self should not be disturbed. Agree? So this is one way you can eliminate fear and stress. Okay? So this is most important for you to think about. Anxiety is something that comes before fear. What if happens something? What if it falls? What if he doesn't score 6 in the last ball? Something will happen. There will be one person who will be the winner ultimately, na? Either the bowler will be the winner or the batsman will be the winner. Both cannot be the winner at all. That is game. Whoever has got the better talent or whoever doesn't make a mistake will win. Accept it. So the mind tension will go away. This time I lost because of this. Next time I'll win because of this. Simple. Yeah, any other questions? Host, what is the time period for us? Please guide us accordingly.
So I think a more 5 to 10 minutes could be taken, sir.
Okay. Right.
So there are several other fears apart from this interpersonal fear, tension, anxiety. There is fear of death. There is fear of this pandemic. There is fear of success in life. So many other fears are there. Even public speaking also somebody mentioned. So what about all those fears?
Okay, excellent question. Now I'll categorize all these fears as something in the most possible way. Okay. Fear of failure, which you missed out, somebody has just said. Simple thing is, anybody who is born has to die. It's a fact. There is a birth, there is a death. Birth date and an expiry date. This is there for everything, including the medicine that we eat. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So this is a reality. Before dying, what is the things that I need to do? What are all the things that I need to do? Is the question that should be there. Because that is not confirmed. Nobody can predict when somebody will die, when somebody will not die. We have seen a 35-year-old person succumb to COVID, whereas 104-year-old lady have overcome COVID. This is a fact of right now happening. Some things are beyond our control and destiny. Let us understand that. And courage to live clarifies, makes many things happen. That is what everybody tells about anybody who has overcome cancer, anybody who has overcome certain syndromes. They will always say, I had the will and courage to face the cancer. I fought the cancer. I overcame it. What does it mean? It means simply that the mind strength, once the mind is strong, I'll give an example of a pregnant lady. A pregnant lady gives birth to a child. You know the kind of pain that lady undergoes while delivering the child if it were to be a normal delivery? The highest unbearable pain of humankind is that. If there are any mothers, they will know that. How they take it? Because of the sheer willpower that I have to overcome it. A person, a man tries to do some job to get money, even though it is not his domain, works hard and tries to get money. Why? That is solely because he has that mind fixed for that and overcomes that small hurdles that comes mentally and physically to get the result. This is how one part of the fears can be overcoming. There are certain psychological fears which is inbuilt, like the fear of driving, the fear of crossing the road, the fear of darkness, the fear of lift, the fear of closed rooms. So many different fears are there. These are all phobias which can be eliminated through psychological interventions. In a periodic manner, you can talk to them, and then we can eliminate those fears. Another fear comes about the examination fear or the fear of public speaking. Examination fear comes again due to the what you call, I don't say the student doesn't prepare well, but the recalling capacity and the confidence, they have an aim. I have to get 99% marks. I have to pass this examination compulsorily. I have to do only this. That creates a lot of tension. What if I fail? The whole family will be chiding me. అందరూ ఉన్నోళ్ళందరూ నన్ను తిడుతూనే ఉంటారు, వేస్ట్గా మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటారు. That kind of a problem will be there. Because of that fear, the focus shifts from the subject to the society. Your energy lost, boss. That energy, if you convert it into positive energy, you will still get some work done. This is one. And then fear of public speaking. Public speaking fear, why it comes? Happiness keys. Remember it? When I'm speaking, what will the other fellow do? If that girl smiles when I speak, I'll feel very, very happy. If this man nods his head, I'll be very, very happy. Then I'll start speaking. Are, if that girl doesn't smile, this fellow gone. What is happening here? You are giving your key of happiness into somebody else's hand. Whether you are right or wrong, speak. There are only two things, no? One is right or one is wrong. What is more than that? Is there anything more? No. When you are right, you are appreciated. When you are wrong, you are say criticized. Mazak uda liya. If suppose you are criticizing me, I should have the courage to go and ask them, okay boss, you criticize me, tell me the right answer. That fellow also doesn't know the right answer. I'll say, Arey yaar, theek hai. Smiles and moves away. What does it mean? Neeke answer తెలియదు, నాకేం చెప్తావురా నువ్వు? Close. Now you became the upper hand there. Right? So don't get scared about all those things, small things. Oratory skills, the use of languages, the presence of mind, all this common sense, etc., etc., etc. All these things are something which you will have to develop. There is no doubt about it. Vocabulary, you have to read to get vocabulary. భాషని చదివితే కదా అర్థమయ్యేది. Once you don't read, you don't get. Okay? Yeah. So these are the types in which we can overcome certain fears. The best possible thing is you have confidence in you. Don't have this fear of non-clarification. Clarify whether it is right or wrong. Get it out of your mind so that go down space is empty for some other thing. If the go down space is full, there is no way that you can move the new things into the go down, no? Until and unless the old rubbish is gone, you will not be able to take the new one. Simple si baat.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పుడున్న పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో న్యూస్ పేపర్స్ ఇవన్నీ అవాయిడ్ చేస్తున్నా అన్లెస్ ఏదో విధంగా కొంచెం వాటి గురించి ఆలోచనలు అవి ఇవి వస్తున్నాయండి. హెల్త్ ఏమైపోతుందో ఇలా, దానికి మనం ఎలాగా కౌంటర్గా మనం ఏం చేసుకోగలం?
When you say I am avoiding, actually you are more remembering it. Am I right or wrong? I want to forget that lady. I want to forget that fellow. Every time you say, I want to forget, you will remember something that person has done more. Here, I want to avoid news. I want to avoid newspaper. See the newspaper. See the news. Switch the channel. Go to some other thing to entertain yourself. See the newspaper. If you are not, definitely in IPL page, pandemic will not be there. Yes or no? There will be a cinema page in which pandemic will not be there. There will be a gossip page, pandemic will not be there. There will be an election page in which pandemic will not be there. Fellows will only think in those terms. See, today's topic, or rather today's news system is very negative. How many people have shown the news that 65-year-old person has recovered well from pandemic? I know so many people walked back to the house after pandemic. My friend's mother, 72-year-old, walked back to home at with pandemic after curing pandemic. How many newspapers have reported this? No one. So ignore that. You take what is needed. Array, some doctor has told some tips for it. ठीक है भाई, अरे चलो देखते हैं, right? If this tip is important to us, is it pertaining to me? Am I very close to this? That's it. It all depends upon you, Sridhar Garu. What you see, yatho drushti tato manaha, yatho manaha tato bhavaha, yatho bhavaha tato buddhihi, yato buddhihi tato kriyaha. Which means the way in which you look. If you see the first page, pandemic, oxygen cylinder not there. ठीक है. Suddenly 60 people died. Okay. Your death is, your eyes are fixed with that one. 1 lakh reported, 60 deaths reported. What is 1 lakh? What is 60? But we are more attracted towards that 60. Okay. So,
ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో చూడాలి, యాక్సెప్ట్ పాజిటివ్ మనకి పనికొచ్చేవి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలి అంటారు.
Definitely. See, knowledge you should have. No confusion in that. But how is it practically applicable to me? Am I maintaining the social distance? Am I maintaining the double mask or triple mask, whatever they call? Am I unnecessarily going out for something? If I'm not going there at all, I have no business to go to any cinema theater today. Entertainment is at home. Why should I go to cinema theater first of all? I can avoid it, na? 1 month I will avoid, then I will go. No. The mentality here is, I will go to the theater. Pandemic should not come to me, but still I have to come back home properly. And nobody should complain against me. Kya hai boss? You avoid it. Is it right? Blaming everybody is one part of the story. Let me tell you, if you are going into a lane which has got a drainage in it, definitely that smell will come to you. Bad smell will come to you. What do you do? What do you do?
We blames.
Municipality को गाली देते, yeah, माँ बहन की गाली, whatever, ta. Our famous slang, as if we are the creator of everything. Despite doing that, what you do is you just say and then go. You spit on the same road and go. Are you maintaining hygiene? No. And immediately what to do? Close your mouth and go. Accepted. So what is happening here is you are protecting yourself first from all the things. And that protection is what you have to do now. Instead of going around and finding who put this here and what happens here, which is not your duty to do. You don't put, number one, be clear. Number two, you are forced to go through that. So take your safety precautions and then go away from there. Nobody cares. Is it not? Sridharji, am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Ha. So don't try to avoid. So there is a small, what you call line. Instead of that line, you put a bigger line next to it. You don't try to erase that line. It's a small tower. Don't try to erase it. The moment you try to erase it, you are putting all your energies on that. Instead, next to it, to start up a bigger tower. That bigger tower will be a good focus. Let that be a positive tower. Simple, na? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we call this positivity as a forgiveness?
मतलब? I didn't get your question.
अगर हमारे मन में किसी के बारे में अगर घृणा है या वो हमें डिस्टर्ब करता है किसी भी चीज के वजह से जो उसने किया हो, तो अगर हम उसे क्षमा कर दे, इफ यू फॉरगिव हिम, तो हो सकता है ना वो डिस्टर्बेंस खत्म हो जाए.
हाँ, let go or forgiving or removing that from the system will actually help you. Because वो go down space खाली हो जाता है यार. That space you utilize for something else. It's as simple as that. You have only a limited go down here. उसको थोड़ा सा निकाल दो. You vacate some space. Whether you want or not, dust will always be coming. Okay. Now, the one thing we have to understand is the fear of failure, which is very important for us. Failure will happen, should happen. Amma? Sir? Okay. Failures will happen, should happen. They should be a learning lessons for us. I will tell you one small, direct and very blunt example of failure. Be ready, huh? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are eating food daily, right? What kind of a food we eat daily as per our choice? No confusion. Is all the food assimilated and digested? Yes or no?
No.
No. Some comes out in different forms, right? It is not created inside. You are sending something inside. The end result is that. The system itself is made with certain amount of success, with certain amount of failures. For that, we don't say, I'm eating shit, I'm eating food. That's what you say. Right? We have positivity in our daily life. There is a sugar cane. That sugar cane gives you sugar. Does it have a sweet smelling flower? No. Does it? But the moment you say sugar cane, immediate thing is sweetness is what comes to your mind. So there are certain things which will not have the proper shape or proper color, but still gives you success, still gives you its value. So let's understand the failures as something that gives us value to learn. Not a single fellow on earth has come up in life without facing a failure. Tell me one person. How many of you have ridden bicycle, cycle? There may be many, right? Who know to ride cycle? You might have fallen also. The moment you fall down, you didn't leave the cycle and go. Somebody would have laughed at you at that time. Somebody would have shouted at you at that time. But still you pursued. Now you have a perfect balance to ride a cycle. So don't consider failures as something which is making you go away from the goal. They are there. It is existing. They are the nature of life. That's all. Start thinking it as a part of the curriculum of success. 90% of your problems, stress problems gone. Kya hota if I fail? Nothing will happen. There is another attempt for me. Fair enough. Simple. I'll give you one example of our current current Home Minister of Defense, Central Minister, Kishan Reddy. He lost as MLA in the same year or a year before. 2018 December, he lost as MLA. 2019 May, he won as MP. In our own city, Hyderabad, we have two examples like this. One is Revant Reddy, the other one is Kishan Reddy. Both lost as MLAs. Both won as MPs. One became a central minister, cabinet minister rank. Another person is in the opposition leading something. So if that failure is what he keeps in mind and then sulks down, that doesn't serve any purpose. He fought again, he got it. So let's understand failure management is as good as enjoying success, partying for success. Okay. Admin, how much time we have?
Sir, I think the time is up, sir.
What's up? That you have to take care, ma.
It's all, yes, sir. It's 9:50 now, so I think the time is up, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt. Last.
Okay, okay.
Can I ask?
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Sir, it's fine. The fear and everything, anxiety, what you told, that is fine. My question is that, do you suggest anything for a quick remediation that time? Let's say I'm going for some speech. I have full confidence, but sometimes within fraction of minutes, I may get fear, I may get anxiety kind of thing. Do you have any suggestion to overcome the situation? It's ADAC solution. It's like starting problem. I know that I can face the interview, I can face the stage, fear, everything, but there is a fraction of minutes that you feel anxiety, fear.
Okay.
Do you have any suggestion so that if I overcome that point, that 1-2 minutes or 5 minutes of anxiety, I can continue? That I know.
Excellent.
But that do you have suggest anything? Because most of the time we face this one, not long term anxiety in daily time. We fear that kind of situation. So do you have any suggestion for ADAC solution?
Yeah, I have a very simple solution for this. Very, very simple. There are two words in English, react and respond. Okay? And the moment you say react, it comes automatically, spontaneously, immediate ga kshanika aveshamlo, it just comes out. That sometimes creates problem for you. Instead of that, to buy time, you can ask the question again. Sir, I didn't understand what you said. Please tell me. The process is you are preparing answer in that 1 minute time or 1.5 minute time. Take a deep breath. Can I have a couple of minutes to answer? Be very open to them. Tell them to wait for you. No problem at all. Or you can have some water. So can I have some water? Do some small time pass things to make your mind set to the atmosphere, which you only want 2 minutes, 3 minutes. This 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it will get adjusted. Take some deep breaths or recite something. If it were to be a religious congregation, recite a sloka. Say Gajananam Bhutaganati Sevitam, something like that. You just start doing it, which is not for the God, which is not for anybody. It's only for you to get that 1 minute or 2 minute gap. That only you know. So then you proceed with whatever it is. And when you are really angry, don't talk. Don't talk at all. Keep quiet for a while. Don't react to any situation, because that reaction will be taken as an advantage by other person. Normally, when you see a street fight, fellow will tell something, one fellow will comment something, the other fellow will also comment something. In between, if from one of the fellows, the usual slang of inviting mother and sister comes into the mouth of one fellow. Instead of the original problem, this statement creates a big mess. How did you scold my mother? How did you scold my sister? The whole problem starts there. Other fellow who did the mistake actually gets the sympathy. The fellow who has actually undergone the problem will get public cursings, beatings. So never react. That's something very important for you. It creates lots of brain discipline. Understand yourself. Am I right or am I wrong? Am I correct or am I incorrect? So simple. So simple as that.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So I think the question session has also ended. Sir, with your permission, I would like to chant the Shanti mantra to end the session. And thank you very much, sir, for the great session. And I'm sure everybody present here will have so many insights to follow in their day-to-day life from now on. So thank you, everyone. So let us end the session by chanting the Shanti mantra. And yeah. Om Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, Sarve santu niramayah, Sarve bhadrani pashyantu, Ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Rama Krishna Arpanamastu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Jai Ram Krishna. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow at 8:20. Jai Ram Krishna.
Enjoy your life.